Greetings students, this is your maths teacher and today we will do the introduction of chapter 5, lines and angles. You all know the definition of line segment, ray and line. Here is an example of line segment, ray and line. How you can represent this line segment like this PQ, and how you will represent this ray OP and then like this, okay, and this is the line AB. Next is the definition of an angle. An angle is formed when lines or line segments meet. Angle कब form होता है? जब lines और line segment meet करते हैं. For example, these are the line segments. These corners are formed when two lines or line segment intersect at a point. Okay, so how you can identify the angle? One is this angle, second, and this is third angle. So how you will write this angle? You can name it as BAC. Okay, like this, BAC. This angle ACB, like this. Okay, ACB, or you can write BCA. Next is definition of complementary angles. When the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. जब दो angles का sum करते हो और आपके पास sum जो है वो 90 degree आ जाए, then you can say that these angles are complementary angles. Okay, these are the examples here. Are these two angles complementary? No, because sum is not 90 degree. Okay. Next comes the definition of supplementary angle. When sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree, then you can say that these two angles are supplementary angles. Here are the examples. 100 plus 80, 180. So yes, you can say that these two angles are supplementary. Okay. When two angles are supplementary, each angle is said to be the supplement of other. Okay. For example, one is given to you and that is given to you that these angles are supplementary and you have to find the other angle. What you have to do, you have to subtract that angle from 180 and you will get the other angle which is supplement of that angle. Next definition is adjacent angles. What is the meaning of adjacent? साथ वाले. Okay, so what are the properties of these angles? They have a common vertex. एक जो है उनका vertex common होगा यहाँ पर. They have a common arm. एक common arm होगी उनके पास like this. And the non-common arm, जो non-common arm होंगी वो दूसरी side पे होंगी common arm के. Okay, like this you can say this angle and this angle are adjacent angle, means साथ वाले हैं ये. Okay. You can write it as A, B, C, D. These angles are adjacent angle. This is common arm and these are non-common arms. Okay. Such pair of angles are called adjacent angles. Adjacent angles have a common vertex, एक common vertex होगा, and a common arm, but no common interior points. Okay. Next is definition of linear pair. A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles. सबसे पहले linear pair कब बनेगा? जब adjacent angles आपके पास होंगे, whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Or you can say when a ray stand on a line. जब एक ray एक line के ऊपर stand करेगी, then you can say that these two angles are linear pair. So here angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Okay. What is the meaning of linear pair? That when you will add these two angles, they are supplementary. Means इनका sum करने पर कितना आएगा आपके पास? 180 degree. Next is vertically opposite angles. Like this you can say these are vertically opposite angles. Here is the definition. When two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles are formed are equal. Like this, if two lines intersect at this point O, then these vertical opposite angles, that is angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equals to angle 4. Like this you can form the vertically opposite angle. So this complete your introduction of this chapter. I hope you all understood. Thank you.